Hey, Jared here from Clicks and Conversions. So wanted to get this quick video out to you as an attorney or legal professional. Want to show you some actual proof and results we're getting for clients just like you. My company Clicks and Conversions specializes in traffic conversion. Basically, we generate the right type of traffic and we convert that into leads for clients just like you. This particular attorney happens to be in the medical malpractice niche. Obviously very competitive. And very easy to spend a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing. So if you guys have ever thought about or considered doing pay-per-click advertising, it definitely works. And here's some proven results that the right landing page, which we customized and built for our client, and the proper traffic generation, pair those up together, you can have a great outcome. So for example, we actually just started this campaign, so I wanted to show you what actually we can do even with a brand new account. So you can see December 5th to the 11th, even though today is December 12th. Actually, today we already had another web lead come in. So these numbers would actually even look better if we were taking into consideration today's stats. But this is just going up to yesterday. So you can see just in from the 5th to the 11th, and you can see our awesome tracking system we have here. We actually give our clients their own version where they can log in. They can see these stats anytime they like. But you can see the number of impressions, obviously the number of clicks. Great click-through rate so far, almost 4%. Just over about $1,000 spent, about $1,200. So our average cost per click is floating around $24. So we have 2 web conversions, even though this is 3. The most recent one that came in about 30 minutes ago is not calculated into this yet. The system didn't update. Phone conversions, meaning people have called in. 6 of those, so total for 8 conversions. Amazingly good, over 16% conversion rate for an average cost per acquisition basically of $146.07. And for a medical malpractice case, that is fantastic to start, and we'll actually be able to drive down that cost quite a bit once we start to hone in a little more on the keywords, marketing, and what's working or not. So obviously you can see we track the clicks versus impressions. And we basically track everything, so broken down by date, the impressions, the clicks, the click-through rates per day, the cost, the average per click, the average per position of our ads, the web conversions versus phone conversions, total conversions, our conversion rates, our average CPA. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a little more in depth of what account looks like and how you guys could also get similar results. So here we are, just another in the campaigns tab. Obviously Google shows you how many clicks you get on a per daily basis, things like that. Then we can come down, we can break things down into like the campaign, the ad group, the actual ads, and the keywords. I'm actually not going to obviously show you the ads and the keywords for the client because that's theirs, but you can see we track everything. And you can see this is a malpractice one, malpractice, birth injury, autism, Erb's palsy, things like that. So we're very detailed about how we track, so we always know our basically cost of everything that we're doing for you guys. Here's another example of just the traffic sources, so clicks by source. So if we were basically running another source of traffic, in this case it's just AdWords, but if we were to use Bing as also, that would be broken down. Now you can say clicks by Google only or phone calls, so people clicking on the headline or people clicking on phone calls. Obviously we track everything. Phones, 32% are desktops, 6.1 are tablets. So you'll start to see which is driving the best conversions, getting the best click-through rate, and then if you wanted to, you could focus more on that and scale down another. So that's how you really start to optimize a campaign for fantastic results. Here we are just in our conversions tab overview. So you can see basically when we started the campaign, basically last week, daily what it looks like. You can see when we first started what the first conversion, average cost per conversion was, and then down to the 11th how it dropped down basically because the ads were starting to work better, more people are starting to convert. So obviously as that happens, your cost per acquisition will go down. Obviously on Saturday it was $48. Here we're up at $104. Today we'll have a couple come in. So as we start to get more conversions and we start to optimize everything, we're going to be able to drive down these costs, which is ultimately obviously what you want to do. So again, just we track everything super detailed. And that's very, very important, because ultimately once you start to know how much you're spending, what your conversions are, and that holds pretty steady, then you can start to scale and you can have a lot of fun. You can get a lot more leads in for your business. And again, here we are just in the calls tab. So obviously you can see the calls coming on a daily basis. If I were to scroll down right below here in this blue box, it actually will show the calls that came in. We also record the calls, and you can listen to them, so we know how your receptionist is doing. But importantly, obviously, we track those calls, which counts as a conversion. We record them so you can listen to them and make sure your answering service or after hours people are doing a great job as well. So now we have other similar campaigns that we run for basically family law, divorce, medical malpractice. So if you guys are an attorney and you're looking to grow your practice in a cost-effective way, we can do some really great things for you. We have a great opportunity. We're looking to add on another handful of attorneys this month and the following months in select areas. So we only really work with one type of legal niche in a certain part of the country. So let's say if you were in like Dallas, Texas, and you were in divorce, we'd only would work with one divorce attorney in that area, or a medical malpractice attorney in that area, basically because we use the same system, kind of the same proprietary method to generate those leads. And if we're working with more than one attorney in an area, essentially we just be advertising against ourselves. So if you're looking to grow your practice, get more highly qualified exclusive phone calls and web submissions into your legal practice, definitely reach out to me after watching this video. There'll be probably a link at the bottom of this. You can just click on that link. You can schedule time to speak with me, or if this is in a form of an email, just reply back. Let's jump on a quick 10-minute no obligation call. You can just learn more about our services, some of the investment, actually how we can do and get you guys similar results like we're doing for this client. So again, this is Jared from Clicks and Conversions. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. Again, take me up on that free no obligation 10-minute chat. We'll love to see if we can help you guys out. Look forward to talking. Take care.